Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to change your name in the Gcash on not verified account. Before changing the name in the Gcash, there are a few prerequisites that need to be met. These prerequisites are necessary to ensure a smooth and successful name change process. Here are the things that users need to prepare before proceeding with the name change. To change the name in Gcash, user must have a valid government issues ID. The ID should be the same as the one used during the Gcash registration process. The ID must also be valid and not expired. If the name change is due to marriage, divorce, or any other legal process, users must provide proof of the name change. This can be in the form of marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Users must ensure that their personal information in Gcash is updated and accurate. This includes their full name, address, and contact details. Users can update their personal information by going to the My Account section in the Gcash app. Before changing the name in Gcash, users must ensure that they have sufficient balance in their account. This is because there is a P50 fee for the name change process. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.